Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll cover how to troubleshoot the Janitor AI error 1200 effectively. Follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Identify the error. Before diving into troubleshooting, it's essential to understand the specifics of error 1200. Typically, this error can occur due to network connectivity issues, server problems, or configuration errors. Step 2. Check your internet connection. 1. Ensure internet connectivity. Verify that your device is connected to the internet. You can do this by trying to access other websites or services. 2. Restart your router. Sometimes resetting your router can resolve connectivity problems. Simply unplug it, wait for about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. 1. Access your browser settings. Open your browser and navigate to Settings. 2. Find Clear Browsing Data. Look for the option to clear cache and cookies. This option is usually found under Privacy Settings. 3. Select Time Range. Choose All Time to ensure a complete cleanup. 4. Clear data. Click to clear the cache and cookies and then restart your browser. Step 4. Update your browser. 1. Check for updates. Ensure that your web browser is up to date. Go to the About section in your browser settings to look for updates. 2. Install updates. If updates are available, follow the prompts to install them. Step 5. Disable browser extensions. Sometimes, browser extensions can interfere with the functioning of certain websites. 1. Access your extensions. Go to your browser's extensions or add-ons page. 2. Disable extensions. Temporarily disable all extensions and then try accessing Janitor AI again. If the error is resolved, re-enable each extension one by one to identify the culprit. Step 6. Check server status. 1. Visit the Janitor AI website. Look for any announcements regarding server downtime or technical issues. 2. Social media updates. Check their official social media accounts for updates or issues currently being addressed. Step 7. Reinstall the application. If you're using a desktop application for Janitor AI, reinstalling it can help resolve persistent issues. 1. Uninstall the application. Go to your operating system settings and remove the Janitor AI application completely. 2. Download the latest version. Visit the official Janitor AI website to download the newest version of the application. 3. Install the application. Follow the installation steps to set up the app again. Step 8. Contact support. If all else fails, reach out to Janitor AI's customer support for further assistance. Provide them with details of the error, including what you've tried so far. Thank you for following along with this troubleshooting guide. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful content.